Hello everyone and welcome back to Healthify. We're back after a long break, and today we're going to look at some common myths surrounding the exercise of planking. Let's get into it. Planking is a fantastic exercise for building core strength, but there are a lot of misconceptions about it. So let's set the record straight. Myth number 1. The longer you hold a plank, the better. While endurance is great, quality over quantity is key. Holding a plank for too long can lead to poor form, which increases the risk of injury. Focus on maintaining perfect form for shorter periods. As your core strength improves, gradually increase your plank duration while keeping that form in check. Myth number 2. Planking only works your abs. Planking actually engages multiple muscle groups, including your shoulders, back, glutes, and even your legs. When you plank correctly, it's a full-body workout. That's why it's so effective and popular. Myth number 3. Planks are bad for your back. This is true only if you do them incorrectly. A proper plank strengthens your core and supports your spine. Make sure to keep your back straight and avoid letting your hips sag. This way you'll protect your back and get the most benefit from the exercise. Myth number 4. Planks are only for advanced exercisers. The fact is, anyone can do planks. There are modifications for all fitness levels. If you're just starting out, try a plank on your knees or against a wall. As you build strength, you can progress to more challenging variations. Myth number 5. You need to plank every day for results. While consistency is important, overdoing it can lead to burnout and injury. Mix planking with other core exercises and give your muscles time to recover. Remember, rest is crucial for growth. And there you have it, 5 planking myths busted. Remember, it's not just about how long you can hold a plank, but how well you can do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness and health content. See you next time.